This is going to be a challenge month where I'm challenging you. What's up, CRT community? Alright, well, August is going to be devoted to something that I'm calling Motivated Mondays, which is why I'm wearing all of these medals here, and I want to talk about the fact that motivation is a big part of being on TRT. And I don't want you to waste your motivation, so this is going to be a challenge month where I'm challenging you not to waste this gift that you've been given of better, more normal, proper levels of motivation. You know that when something's been missing or gone for a long time, when you get it back, it's new again and it's fresh again and it's like an old friend has come back. Well, that's what it's kind of been like for me, getting my motivation back. It's made me want to do things again and try things again, just like I used to in the past. And as you see here, I've tried a lot of things. These are all medals from doing different races. I like to do obstacle course races, as you guys know from the past, or even just like a 5K. Those are sort of my thing, and I enjoy those. These are all things that I've accomplished since being on TRT. I've been on it now for roughly 9 months, and I've actually earned all these within that time. You may be motivated to do different things, and that's great. Just do something. It's a huge blessing that we can get our testosterone levels back up to normal, get our motivation back where it's supposed to be, our energy levels back where they're supposed to be, our life back where it's supposed to be. Don't waste it. Well, let me show you how I've not been wasting mine. This one here was a Spartan race that I did a few months ago. This was a 9-mile and roughly 26 or so obstacles. I was really excited at the end of this one, as you can see here in these pictures. I was really glad to get this one. I trained a few months for that one. This was from a 4-mile race that I did with my wife and my son, and it had, I want to say, 22 obstacles. My wife did a great job. That was her first one ever. Now she's kind of got the bug and wanting to do more. This was from a more local race that's a little bit cheaper, a nice little entry level. It was a 5K, so it was 3.1 miles and 20-something obstacles. This was one of my own invention. You guys might recall that this past video that I did about the 5K Lion Run, I invented a virtual race that you can do anywhere, anytime that you want. It's probably the least expensive virtual race you'll find out there, and it's just something that I made to challenge people, to make you better than you were before, to not waste your motivation. So there's a link below. I guess this is a little bit of a plug, sure, but really I made these because I want you guys to go beyond what you're doing now and be a better version of yourself. So check out that link below and get yourself a 5K Lion Run medal. And this big boy here was my most recent achievement. It was a 10K. It's called the Barbarian Challenge. It happens here in the state that I'm from, of Alabama. It was really fun, and boy, look at that medal. It's sick. Sick. I simply want to say, be better, do more. Whatever you're into, be that, do that. And you know what, guys? Here's the truth. A lot of things that you're going to be motivated to be better at, you won't get a medal for. You know what? If you can be a better father, a better husband, a better employee, better church member, whatever it is, you're not going to get medals necessarily for those, will you? However, it's going to make a huge difference. So those things, I would say, are actually better than physical fitness goals. And so just be a better version of yourself. So in my next videos about Motivated Mondays, I'm going to put one out every Monday this month of August. I'm going to reveal the goal that I've set for myself to achieve this month. It's going to come in 3 parts. One of those parts will be something that I've never tried before, ever. And I'm going to try to get it done this month. So in those upcoming videos, you'll get to see, am I going to accomplish my own goals that I'm setting out? Now this is what I want you to do. what I want you to do is leave a comment below about a goal that you're going to set for yourself here in the month of August, or maybe even starting to work towards that goal here in this month. Because what I found is once I put in writing, or once I put it out there that I'm going to do this thing, it starts to hold me accountable. That's also why I like to sign up for these races, because of two reasons. Number one, I'm invested in it financially, and then secondly, once I register for this thing, which is usually a few months out, then it forces me to get up and train and work, because I know that if I'm not ready for that race, it's going to crush me. And so I like to set goals for myself. Those kind of goals are good for me. But what's your goal? Maybe it's not a physical goal. Leave it in the comments below. Just leaving it in the comments below will hold you accountable to do it. So that's my challenge for you in August for these Motivated Mondays. Hope this has been helpful, guys. Leave a like as well. I would really appreciate it. God bless. Peace.